Meaning of exhibitionist.
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 Exhibitionist. An exhibitionist is someone who derives pleasure or gratification from exposing themselves in public or engaging in sexual activity in public. This behavior is often considered deviant or inappropriate and may be a sign of a psychological disorder. Exhibitionism can have legal consequences if it involves the harassment or unwanted exposure of others. While some may view this behavior as harmless, it can cause distress and discomfort for others and is generally not socially acceptable. Overall, exhibitionism is a complex issue that requires sensitivity and understanding towards those affected by it.